Hi everyone, it's Yushin. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your own jewelry display card. You're either going to use your business card or you can use some cardboard paper and then cut them into the size that you want and then just write your logo on the cardboard paper. You can also buy some custom stamps with your logo on it so that you don't have to write every single time, or you can buy some interchangeable letter stamps so you can change the letter to whatever you want. You will also need a material that will help you poke a hole into your card. So I usually use a Dremel because you can drill multiple cards at once, so that it saves you a lot of time. But you can also use something sharp like a needle if you don't have a Dremel at home. One important thing to keep in mind is that if you want to use a Dremel to drill a hole into your business card and you want to do multiple at once, you're gonna have to make sure that you have all the card in the same direction. So last time when I was trying to make a bunch of earring display cards, my business card was not placed in the same direction, so I wasted a bunch. Another thing that you will need is either a foam or a piece of wood, just something that you can drill into. And then you're going to put your card onto the piece of foam or like wood or whatever you have. And then you're going to poke 2 holes. And that's it. Like, that's how simple it is. It's really easy for you to make your own earring display card. And you can just put your earring in. It's that simple. And then that's how it looks with the earring in. So it works for both stud earrings and also these like fish hook earrings. If you're using a Dremel for drilling the hole, you're going to make sure that you have the right size drill bit. The only difference between drilling holes with your drill bit and poking a hole with a needle is that the drill bit makes a really clean finish. And with a drill bit, you can do multiple cards at once.